Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do the no arm, no leg, as well as the no feet glitch on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to go to the VIP section first. You'll need the VIP for this one. Actually, we need the dress from outside. So we are going to grab this dress and I'm just going to color it black. Okay, that's scary. Anyways, you're going to walk to this dress here and we're going to use it. I'll just use the basic dress version. And as you can see, no leg. Then for the arm one, I'm just going to walk here. You don't need VIP for this one. You're going to select this shirt here. I'm just going to color again everything black. Then I'm going to select the basic shirt and I'm also going to color that black. And it gives this really cool illusion. Lastly, we need these shoes. Again, coloring in the same, and we're going to need these ones. Again, I'm coloring it all the same, and as you can see, I have no feet here as well. I'm just going to change the color of my nails real quick, and I'm going to just add in these gloves here on in VIP. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.